acostumbrados a estas olas, pues ahí los tenemos demostrando sus grandes. Un día al año tenemos este evento. Fíjate que sí, los tiempos cambian, antes eran leones en coliseos, ahora son surfistas en hogar.
30 seconds remaining, surfers. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Esas bombas atrás, aquí estamos en esta derecha. Nos están dejando. Viene Kyle Lenny de Hawaii, still waiting for those scores to drop for white and blue. 1 minuto. 1 minute remaining, 1 minuto. place.
Kyle Lenny, second place.
Nick Lamb, 3.77. That takes you to third place.
But I traveled far. Pretty big one, huh? Let's go point. Straight at a ball behind you with Nicholas Bar. Yeah, mine I traveled for so long. How'd it just opened up? Oh, made it. Put your board right up here. We'll count you out right now.
Downtown.
Let's go.
5,
Let's go. Throw the thing down. Let's go. Let's go, Nate.
Hi, Lenny from Maui. Hi.
It was kind of
like a dream scenario to get that last wave. I thought the heat was done, and you know, I thought Jimmy Mitchell was going to win. He's one of the best big wave surfers on the planet, and you know, it came right to me, and I just thought, oh my God, this is mine. I can't believe it, and I just remember pulling in and knowing I was going to make it.
I'm sure a lot of people like watching. Anyone you'd like to thank?
Oh, I mean, just my family and friends and my sponsors, really important because they allow me to do what I do, so just super grateful right now.
Congratulations, Kyler!
Yeah, Kai! Not much bigger to me tomorrow. What do you think? I don't sense, but it just be like the norm. Yeah. If those sets are the norm, I'm stoked. Like, those are pretty fun. Let's go eat.
How was it?
Oh, it was fun. Good warm up. Surf for 2 hours, and you know, Puerto is pretty tough place to surf, but if you get lucky and you can get a good one, it's really fun. So just staying warmed up enough for if the contest goes on tomorrow, which it's planning to go, so we'll see how everything transpires.
Did you get a lucky one?
I never got a lucky one today. It was funny, my first wave yesterday was my best wave of the trip so far, and but the way I look at it is if I didn't get a crazy one today, I'll just have to get a crazy one tomorrow in my heat. So I'm just paying my dues and then getting one.
Damo, did you get a good one? Did you get lucky?
Dude, you don't want to get good ones from free surf. You gotta save
No,
it to the top.
right?
That's what I'm always doing. Just talk about getting the feet wet. Yeah, I actually did a little better today than I did yesterday. Yesterday I just kind of shoulder hopped a couple, and then you know I just kind of really wanted to get some rights actually, just to make because you know I kind of feel comfortable on the lefts. You know, I wanted to kind of see how the board was going to hold in on a couple late drops on the right. It felt good, so I was stoked.
Any poundings?
Not too much.
Did Kai get them all?
Poundings?
Yeah.
I didn't really get pounded out there, but I mean, I definitely didn't get like the waves that I wanted.
I got that one set, and I guess there's like 3 or 4 behind it. That one, like it wasn't too bad.
I don't know. I was surprised though. Like I got straight up caught inside by this like biggest set or one of the bigger sets. When I got like the first wave of the set, and then it was like the second view, but it didn't really do anything. Besides, even just this foam suit's like, if it's not gonna figure this, I'm just gonna use the foam suit. I mean, if you're in a heat and you don't want to swim, you just elevator.
How's that go?
Elevator.
Elevator to the top.
Elevator to the top.
Yeah, I might see how this